Hey guys, Jesse here with Summit Jeep Company. Wanted to let you guys know we're going to start doing weekly product reviews on some of our more popular products as well as new and upcoming products that we're going to be getting here at the shop. One of our more common questions that we get is, what can I do for new LED headlights? My stock headlights suck. These things here, you know where they belong? They belong right there in the trash. They're horrible. Anybody that's still running them really kind of would agree. It's about the brightness of having two candles in front of your Jeep. So without breaking the bank, we carry really a budget-friendly 7-inch round headlight here at the shop. They're good for 97 to 06 TJs. They do come with these adapters here for plug-in on your TJ models, so no additional purchases needed to fit these in your TJs. And then 07 to 18 JKs, they are a direct fitment. These lights here are 6,000 K on the brightness spectrum, so you don't have to worry about them being blue. They're as bright white as you can get. They've got a good heavy-duty composite front end on here as well, so you don't have to worry about those cracking easily. And the best thing of all, these come with a lifetime warranty. So if you guys have any issues with them, they're covered for as long as you guys own them. I want to take you guys outside and show you guys some of these common problems that we see with the more inexpensive aftermarket headlights as well as your stock headlights. So come with me. Alright you guys, so I wanted to show you, these are some aftermarket, kind of more of your inexpensive headlights that we see a lot of the times here. You can see the yellowing on this outside lens here. Again, pretty common with some of your more inexpensive ones. And then come with me over here, I'm going to show you guys a set of stock headlights that have got kind of the same fading on that outside lens as well. Alright, so this also is really common that we see. You guys can see the fading on this outside lens. Vehicle's been in an accident, of course, here, which is why the hood and everything looks a little bit different, but this is real common after these Jeeps start getting a little bit older on here. Discolors and then affects the headlight brightness for you as well. All right, guys, so just wanted to show you right here as well. With that new Pro Comp headlight that we're talking about here, it comes with a lifetime warranty. You don't have to worry about the composite fading, and if it does by chance fade, again, you've got the lifetime warranty there. So another great option when it comes to headlights. Alright, so if you guys are looking for a good set of LED headlights for your Jeep Wrangler that's not going to break the bank, swing into Summit Jeep Company. We're located at 402 East Sheldon Street here in Prescott. You can also buy them online on our website at summitjeepcompany.com. We'll be doing weekly product reviews, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks, you guys.